Good morning, this is Ruth speaking from Artful Sass Design. I have an Etsy shop and on it I have some sewing kits. I have done some journals which are all made with fabric covers, lots of embroidery, and I just wanted to make this smaller journal without any sewing, just to show you that you don't actually need to be able to sew or embroider or do any of these crafts to be able to use the kits. So here we go. It's just tied with some sari silk, which is just wrapped around. Now this journal is made with envelopes. It's using a basic template from Amanda Kerr. She has a wonderful YouTube channel, and this particular journal was made using My Exciting Envelope Journal, which was about 6 episodes. I haven't done it exactly the way she's done it, but it's a great formula. So it's made of 5 big envelopes. It's got 3 little signatures and lots of fun things inside. So the front and back are decorated with papers from the kit. I have some collage papers in there. Printed on 110 gram paper, so it's nice thick. I've put a couple of bits of lace on the spine, and that covers the stitching. It's bound in with a 3 pamphlet stitch. So let's have a look inside. On the inside front cover, the first envelope, we've got an envelope flap. So I've got a little pocket here, a couple of bits of ephemera. These are actually made with another of my kits called Pink Background. And we've got another journal card just tucked in the envelope. So you can see Jane Austen through the window. She was apparently very good at sewing, Jane Austen. On the inside cover we have a deep pocket, and you can put lots of big things in there. This is just another journal card, room to write on the back. And this is also an envelope. And this is printed on newsprint. It's from the Sewing Machine Times. Some lovely adverts for old sewing machines. The background of this is jelly print paper. So this is the first signature. There's 9 double pages. So this is one of the journal pages from the kit, and I have combined that with tea stain paper. Also Roxy Creations. Rachel has these wonderful Italian book pages, which I have included, 1 in each signature. A little bit of a collage tag there, and one of the pockets from the kit. Ledger paper, little flap. This is one of the fabric things with a little tag, paper clip. Here we have another collage tag, collage tea stain paper on the back. That's just tied on there with a paper clip. Some stamping, and here we have ledger paper, some more tea stain paper. Here we have a double pocket. So with some little tuck spots. These are from the kit, and a journal card from the kit as well. That double pocket, and some stenciling on the back. And that's the first signature. Here we have another envelope project. So we have a little double pocket at the front, and we have a pocket at the back with a window, and I have tucked in one of the thread holders. You can tuck anything you like in there though. You can see it through the window. Collage paper. This is the front of the second envelope, and we have a double page spread. Sorry, got lots of little these are from making holes in the tags. So here we have a double page spread. So on this side we have an envelope flap, little tuck spot with some small ephemera, little collage. This is from Artie Mays. Page from the kit. So this is some ephemera, also made with collages from the kit, and another of the thread holders, and that's from a collage from the kit as well. This paper is from the background papers that's already on my Etsy shop. On the other side we have the CD cover, but I have taken away the circle and made it a heart shape, and a little tag there that slips in with journal space on the back. One of the vintage ladies, I'll just move it over so you can see that. The vintage lady, that's a little separate kit add-on with lots of lovely vintage ladies for you to have a look at. And these are two small brown paper pockets and just a little tag in there. I'll sort that out later. Oh, let's flap that in so it doesn't look too far out. On the back side of the third envelope we have a date pocket. Here I've got a little notebook. These are tags from the kit which I have not separated, and it makes a little fold out notebook with lots of journaling space. A little bit stenciling just to make it more interesting, and that folds up nicely. The two envelopes, they're both the same size. They're also from the kit, and we have a journal card inside. This is an old advert for one of the, which were new machines then. Must have been a godsend for these women who had to sew everything in the house. And another one with the same thing, but just different advert. So this is the second of the signatures. This one is another page from the kit, journal page. Roxy Creations Italian paper, little pocket. It's just a little collage of different things from the kit. And another one of the thread holders and a tag from the kit. Some stenciling, some small things tucked into a tuck spot. That's fabric and paper collage with some stitching round in a circle. Some stenciling. I used Victoria Designs sewing ephemera kit because they have lots of she had lots of lovely things in there. There's a pocket from my kit and another of the thread holders from my kit. Lovely textiles there, rich colours. Some tea stain paper in a variety of styles. This is avocado stain paper, a little bit of stenciling. No, that's stamping, sorry. Tim Holtz stamps. And some more, that's stenciling, Tim Holtz stenciling. And big lace pocket, one of the collage tags, and one of the tags from the kit. They just tuck it into that. And dictionary page and a little bit of stamping, and that's the back side of the first the second signature. So this is the fourth envelope, another deep pocket, and tucked inside we have a collage tag. These are different parts of the kit, and another one of the thread holders. And the back of this is one of the collage sheets from the kit. They're quite detailed and it gives you lots of opportunities. On this page we have the back of the fourth envelope, and in this one I have kept this open, so it's a sort of secret pocket, but I have done it so that you almost don't see it because the paper goes over it both ways. This is another one of Amanda Kerr's journal tutorials using envelopes. This is exciting envelope 29, I believe. Card from the kit, little pocket. I love these rabbits. I think that's Ruby and Pearl, these butterflies. And on the other side we've got a little belly band using the same butterflies that we used on the front, and this is a little journal card and some space on the back for writing. Again, collage from the kit, tag from the kit, and collage paper. And that just slips into the page here and sits like that. I rather like that. This is the third and final signature. This is one of my favourite pages from the journal pages from the kit. It's very simple, but I like it. And a little more stamping. This is another recycled envelope, an A5 one this time. This is from Victoria Designs. It's just from their sewing ephemera. And little fabric and paper collage on the front of that one, and writing space on the back. Ledger paper, a little flap, and one of the collage kits, and a paper clip with a little lace tag. Dictionary paper, avocado stain paper. The centre of every signature has these little tags just to cover the ends. Roxy Creations paper, ledger paper, and a little bit more of the butterfly pages, and another collage. You always end up with lots of bits, so it's nice to make these collage tags. And the collage tags just use up your little bits, and I think they look great. This is the other side of the A5 envelope, and we have an embroidered journal tag, which I've used as decoration for the back. So much fabric, so little time. So spelled S-E-W. I like that. Old French script for a corner pocket. Just a little bit of collage in there. And one of the tags from the kit. Another of the pockets from the kit, and we have a little notebook, just some tea stained paper, an advert, and a journal card from the kit. That just tucks in there, and we'll just have that peeping out. And here we have the back. So this is another envelope. So we have the window envelope from a recycled in. This is collage paper from the kit. Again, I've just decorated the journal card. Lots of space for writing. And the last pocket is a big deep one, so you can put lots of big things in. That's collage from the kit. Again, collage with lots of pieces from the kit, and that one too. And I just like the effect of that collage. So, and then we come to the back, and another of the other side of this one, collage piece from the kit. It's tapestry and weaving, and some beautiful photographs of ladies sewing. So that's it. So this is entirely made of paper and glue. And so you don't need to be able to sew to do anything in this. And I hope you enjoyed watching. Artful Sass Design. I hope you have a look at the site and enjoy the kits. Thank you.